इक्विवेलेंट टू 0, दैट इज देयर इज नो, इट इज लेस देन पावर 3. ठीक है. सिमिलरली अल्फा इज इक्विवेलेंट टू अल्फा 1 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 1, अल्फा इज इक्विवेलेंट टू अल्फा, अल्फा स्क्वायर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू अल्फा स्क्वायर, अल्फा क्यूब इज इक्विवेलेंट टू अल्फा क्यूब. नाउ इट इज अल्फा 4. सो फॉर द पॉलिनोमियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन हाईएस्ट डिग्री शुड बी 3. ठीक है. सो अल्फा 4 वी कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट, वी कैन नॉट हैव द अल्फा 4 डायरेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, सो वी विल use above relation for the given in the given example, that is what is given, alpha to the power 4 is equals to, what is alpha to the power 4, it is 1 alpha. So we have we can write alpha to the power 4 is equals to 1 plus alpha for the polynomial representation. ठीक है. these two are equal. ठीक है. power representation and polynomial representation. ठीक है. so generally we will use power representation for multiplying the elements. ठीक है. for multiplying the elements we will use power representation, and for adding the element we will use polynomial representation, and for tuple representation for identification of element. ठीक है. it is the actual identification of the element. ठीक है. so the smallest element is 0 0 0 0 of gf of 2 to the power 4 in the, it is the representation, 4 tuple representation. ठीक है. for the power representation we use single 0, it is only 0. ठीक है. these zeros are equivalent to 4 times 0. ठीक है. and the largest element is 1 0 0 1. how it is come we will show here. so now in alpha 5, so we can convert alpha 5 into polynomial form. ठीक है. it is just the conversion. ठीक है. alpha 5 what is equal to alpha 5, which is alpha plus alpha square. how it come? ठीक है. so it is alpha 5, so we can write alpha 5 is equal to alpha into alpha 4, alpha to the power 4. so what is alpha to the power 4, which is 1 plus alpha. so we have converted, so alpha into alpha is alpha square, and alpha into 1 is alpha. so alpha 5 is equals to alpha plus alpha square. Similarly alpha 6, we can also obtain alpha 6. so alpha 6, what is alpha 6, alpha into alpha 5. so what is alpha 5, it is alpha plus alpha square, so it will be alpha square plus alpha cube. Similarly alpha 7 we can also obtain, so alpha into alpha 6. ठीक है. what is alpha 6, alpha square plus alpha cube. so देखो now here it is alpha to the power 4, so we have to convert alpha to the power 4 into 1 plus alpha, so it will be alpha cube plus 1 plus alpha. so alpha 7 is equals to 1 plus alpha cube. Similarly we can obtain remaining elements, it is alpha 8 9 10 11 14 40 till 40. so it will be the conversion from power to polynomial. ठीक है. so it is alpha 4 is equals to 1 plus alpha, alpha 5 is equals to alpha plus alpha square, alpha 6 is equal to alpha square plus alpha cube, and so on. alpha 14 is equals to 1 plus alpha cube. now we will convert the power into we have converted power into polynomial. now we can convert the polynomial into 4 tuple form or 4 tuple representation. so it is just 0 0 is 4 times 0. ठीक है. now what is 1? ठीक है. so we will start from right. ठीक है. and left to right, we will go from left to right. so leftmost will be the coefficient of alpha to the power 0. second one is coefficient of alpha, third one is coefficient of alpha square, and fourth one is the coefficient of alpha cube. so here there is no coefficient, so all are 0. first one, it is the coefficient of alpha 0, so it will be 1, and remaining alpha 1 alpha square, alpha square and alpha cube. so all are 0. so coefficient of alpha is 0, coefficient of alpha square is 0, coefficient of alpha cube is 0. so it is 1 0 0 0. Similarly now alpha, here it is coefficient of alpha 0 is 0, coefficient of alpha is 1, coefficient of alpha square is 0, coefficient of alpha cube is 0. so it will be 0 1 0 0. Similarly for alpha cube, alpha square, coefficient of alpha 0 is 0, coefficient of alpha is 1 0, coefficient of alpha square is 1, coefficient of alpha cube is 0. so it will be 0 0 1 0. Similarly for alpha cube, for example we can write for example this alpha 9 के लिए, for alpha 9 how it come, coefficient of alpha 0 is 1. ठीक है. coefficient of alpha is 0, and coefficient of alpha cube is 1. so it will be